If your Android phone is running slow, the apps are crashing down, the screen is freezing by itself, and your device is restarting itself again and again, so don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you solve all these issues just with one click. So let's not waste any further time and let's get straight into the video. Some apps or files that you download can cause issues with your phone. So to solve all these issues into a single click, Safe Mode is a feature on the Android operating system used to solve problems with the configuration or app incompatibilities. Restarting the device in this mode will load only system core applications. So the first step to enable Safe Mode is press the power button. Now tap on the reboot option. Now once your device is been rebooted, and once the MI logo appears on your screen, press the volume down button. This step varies for different devices. Now once that's done, you have entered into the safe mode. You can also see a small pop-up describing safe mode. Now to check problem if it's gone, use your phone normally and try to feel that you are now facing the same issue or not. If you're facing the same issues, you would need to basically format your phone once. And if you are not facing the issues, well, safe mode will basically solve all of your basic issues. Now once that's done, now it's time to exit the safe mode. You can usually restart your phone normally just by turning off and rebooting it. And now you will experience like all of your issues are gone and you will be able to enjoy the same user experience as of a newly fresh phone. So this was all for the today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos because I keep making videos like this. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video.